Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 2% in the last session, after rising as much as 2.4% during the session. The ROC's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the pound rise 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.3% against the dollar. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
SoftBank Group Corp said it would receive shares in telco T-Mobile US worth some $7.59 billion at no additional cost, driving the Japanese conglomerate's shares up 5%. SoftBank's shares were on track for their biggest gain in more than a month. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 moved higher as major indexes around the world hovered near record highs. Oil and gas stocks added to lead gains as most sectors and major bourses entered positive territory. Bitcoin's market is preparing for a $10.1 billion options expiry, a significant event set to occur on December the 29th at 8 a.m. European time. The latest data indicates that call options hold a clear advantage, but bears could significantly limit their losses by pushing Bitcoin's price below $42,000.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 15:30 GMT. Spain's retail sales will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The Austrian Purchasing Manager Index at 0900 hours GMT. Italy's 10Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.